Imagine stepping into a home where every corner whispers comfort, soft textures, gentle hues, and timeless patterns that make your heart exhale. Shabby chic isn't just a style, it's a feeling. A celebration of worn edges, hand-stitched details, and stories wrapped in fabric and lace. Whether you're in a countryside cottage or a modern apartment, this look transforms any space into a cozy retreat. It's about blending vintage romance with practical elegance, a space that feels both lived in and loved. At the heart of shabby chic design lies the art of layering, delicate lace over time-worn wood, pastel florals against creamy whites, and fabrics that carry the warmth of handmade charm. Think crocheted throws resting on faded armchairs, antique frames softening the walls, and chipped ceramics holding fresh blooms. These subtle imperfections bring life and texture to your home. They remind us that beauty doesn't always come from perfection, but from the stories our belongings tell. crochet has a way of grounding a room in comfort. Whether it's a delicate doily draped over a nightstand or a chunky blanket thrown across a reading chair, crochet adds texture and tenderness. Each loop and stitch carries a rhythm of patience and love, making your home feel uniquely personal. For a modern twist, pair crochet accents with neutral backdrops, creamy whites, soft taupes, or pale blush tones. The result is effortlessly cozy and beautifully timeless. There's something eternally charming about gingham. Its checkered simplicity evokes picnic afternoons and quiet mornings by the window. From kitchen curtains to throw pillows, this pattern adds a cheerful rhythm that harmonizes beautifully with the soft elegance of shabby chic design. Choose muted colors, sage green, dusty rose, or faded blue, to maintain that aged, romantic appeal. Layering gingham with crochet creates a wonderful balance between crisp and cozy, making your space feel truly lived in. The Shabby Chic color palette is all about serenity. Think antique whites, blush pinks, faded grays, and washed-out blues. These tones invite natural light to dance across your interiors, highlighting the beauty of texture and age. Add touches of distressed furniture or soft linen drapes to complete the look. The goal isn't to achieve flawlessness, it's to create a home that feels calm, welcoming, and filled with warmth. Every color choice should whisper peace, not shout for attention. The true magic of shabby chic lies in the harmony between old and new. Combine modern comforts, like sleek lighting or minimalist shelves, with vintage treasures such as heirloom quilts, antique mirrors, or time-softened furniture. Visit flea markets, thrift shops, or family attics, these are the places where stories hide. When you mix eras and textures thoughtfully, you create a home that feels soulful and deeply personal, not styled, but sincerely lived in. As you weave together crochet details, gingham prints, and vintage finds, remember that shabby chic design is a reflection of comfort and authenticity. Let your space evolve slowly, guided by emotion and experience. Create corners that invite you to linger, a soft chair by the window, a vase of fresh flowers on a rustic table, a candle that flickers gently at dusk. If this style speaks to your heart, don't just admire it, create it. Subscribe for more cozy, timeless home inspiration, and let's continue this journey of making every home a haven of warmth and charm.